Looking at this portion of the video, you're probably wondering why we're out there with the plow down on the surface. But in a moment you'll understand. There is slush on the road, and that squeegee blade's doing just a pretty darn good job. There's more coming off the squeegee than there is the carbide blades. The more snow, slush, and water removed from the road surface, the more effective your material will be. Blowing snow event with higher deposits of snow in the sheltered areas. This clip was taken at night, so it's a little harder to see, but notice this being a heavier snow area. We have quite a large plume coming off the front of the moldboard, but we also have a lot of snow coming off that squeegee blade. In this view, you'll notice that the serrated blade is not in contact with the road. This is due to this particular video was taken when the snow virtually was not bonded to the road. Now you can see that we're in an area where the snow is packed and is bonded to the road. In this view you can see that the road's not looking too good. The wind's been blowing snow straight down this road all night long, and it's trying to get really stuck. As you can see, as this snow gets bonded well to the road, we don't have quite as much material coming off any of the three edges, but yet we still are picking up some snow from each cutting edge in contact with the road surface. In this portion, this is at a little slower speed, and you can see that all the blades are at least doing something, but this snow is stuck pretty good to the road.